How to accept tag requests on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can accept tag requests on Facebook. So to do that, first of all, open your Facebook app and then make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now once you're logged in, you'll have to first of all go to your profile. So you can simply go to your profile by tapping your photo right over here, or you can simply go to menu and then tap on your name right over here. After that, you'll have to tap on these three dots right over here. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to your profile settings page where you will see the option review posts and tags. Simply tap on it, and here you will see all of the posts that you are tagged in, which you have not yet accepted to be on your Facebook feed. So as you can see, in this post someone has tagged me in this photos. Now if you want to add this post to your Facebook profile, all you have to do is scroll down and then tap on the option add to profile. And if you don't, you can simply hide this by tapping the option hide. And if you want to remove the tag, what you'll have to do is tap on these three dots right over here. After that, tap on the option remove tag. That way you'll have successfully removed the tag. And as you can see in this post as well, someone has tagged me in this photo. So if you want to add this to your profile, simply tap on the option add to profile. And there you have it. So that is basically how you accept tag requests on Facebook. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.